Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a task in Todoist. If you're trying to stay organized but not sure how to properly use Todoist, in this video I'll walk you through exactly how to create a task in Todoist step by step. Whether you're using your phone or your computer, this guide will help you get started and make your task management much easier. So first, open Todoist app on your device or go to a website on your browser. Once you log in, you'll usually land on your inbox, so which is default place for new tasks. And so take a second to look around the interface on both mobile and desktop. You should see a plus button or an add task option. So in this case, it's in the left side. So if you see add task, click on that. Once you click that, a task editor will pop up. Now type your name of your task. So try to make it clear and specific. For example, finish math homework, reply to emails, workout for 30 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to type in workout for 1 hour. So clear task names help you stay focused and avoid confusion later. Next, you can assign a due date and time to your task. So to set a date, tap on date, or you can type something like tomorrow at 6 p.m. So Todoist is smart, it understands natural language and actually sets the schedule for you. So this makes planning your day much faster. You can also set a priority level. So click on priority, and P1 is for urgent task, P2 or P3 is for normal tasks, and P4 is for low priority. So if you're working on multi areas like school, work, or personal life, you can assign the task to a project or section to keep everything organized. Now, once everything looks good, click Add Task. You can also add attachment or add reminders. Now, once done, click on Add Task or press Enter, and your task will instantly appear in your list and is ready to go. So try creating tasks as soon as something comes to mind. So this builds a habit and helps you avoid forgetting important things. And that's how you can create a task in Todoist. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.